In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to scan a 2-page document using the Scan to Computer feature on the HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 printer series. We will use the automatic document feeder.
If you are new to the channel, we do a lot of tech reviews as well as how-to videos. So please give us a like and subscribe.
So on the printer control panel, select Scan. Select Scan to Computer. We'll scan to Oman 2025. And we'll scan as PDF. Before we scan, if you do tap on this option over here, you can select the original sides to be one-sided or two-sided. For our case, it is a one-sided document. So let's send. On our computer, we can select the file name that we want to save the document. We'll call it Scan to Computer. Let's save. Let's take a look at the file. So this is page 1 and this is page 2. So this is how you use the Scan to Computer feature on your HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 printer series.